Okay, our next seated exercise is the neck pull. The setup on the neck pull, I'm going to ask Nicole to stack her hands behind her head. And very important here, you never want to interlock your hands together and then put that pressure on the back of your head. You want to stack them and then push the head back against the hands. Take your thumbs to the side of the neck so it almost uses as a frame. Her elbows are wide. She has her legs glued together with her heels pushing away from her body. So if you look at her from a side view, her ear, shoulder, and hip are in one direct straight line. Now the movement, she's going to take a nice deep inhale. And as she exhales, she tucks her chin to her chest, takes her nose all the way down towards her knees, pushing her heels away from the body. And as she comes back up, she's going to stack her back like she's stacking up against the wall. So you want one vertebrae to come up at a time. Good, let's go one more. So a nice deep inhale. And tucking the chin and exhaling forward, nose to the knees. She's pushing her heels away from the body. That's going to give you that extra stretch in the lower back. And then she slowly stacks that spine all the way up, like she's stacking against the wall. She lifts her chest towards the opposite side of the wall. Then she brings her arms to the side, and she brings into a rest.